za mu muna cewa sarkin fulanin duniya ne amma kuma
Congratulations. You did it. Yeah, because you settled it.
I think I did beat you.
Now our secretary, our secretary,
Emeritus.
My sister.
President. We are waiting for the swearing.
By the grace of God. I am coming now. We are here now. We are here. My brother.
President of Nigeria, the special candidate of the B.O.T of the BTP comes 2023 election. My dear B.O.T members, Your Excellency, we're here to pay you a very, very special call and to identify with you on the effort being made for you to become the President of Nigeria. First of all, I want to say that the meeting of today was well attended, including the national chairman of the party, who briefed us very, very competently his effort to go with you and to make you the president. I want to assure you that in our meeting today, every B.O.T member has agreed that you are the only candidate of the B.O.T of the PDP, and we are going to do whatever we can do to ensure that we become the president of Nigeria. After that, we deliberated a lot, but we feel whatever we decided, we have to confer with you. Seek your own support and advice before we go on to do something which is not in conformity with what you want.
You are done? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.